Being a NASCAR driver means being a lifelong learner, so you better adapt. Racing has always been a part of my lifestyle and in my blood, obviously in my family. My dad had an auto repair shop, so working around cars and getting grease underneath my fingernails was never a problem, and having an opportunity to learn was never a problem. I guess go back to 1996 when I graduated high school and my parents said, "You're going to college, son." And I said, I just want to race. And they're like, "No, you need to go to college to have something to fall back on if your racing career doesn't happen the way you want it to." I used my racing career as a baseline for what I wanted to do. So I ended up going and getting a bachelor's degree in vehicle structure engineering, which is my plan of study and my program at Purdue University. You have to push yourself, otherwise you have no idea what your potential actually is. Seeking the right knowledge definitely accelerates your success or the potential to be more successful. I still have to fight, I still have to be driven by the people around me. I've always said that Buddy Baker was one of those people. I look back at it now as how monumental it was to have somebody that is a racing legend, one of the top 50 greatest NASCAR drivers of all time in the Hall of Fame, to have taken the time to mentor me, to help me. And that's priceless. He always said, I'm gonna tell you what not to do. I'm gonna tell you not to make the mistakes that I did. It's up to you to be as good as you can be. And I'm not gonna tell you what to do for that reason. I'm 42 years old and didn't get to where I am because I knew everything. It took people around me, it took books, it took teachers, it took family, it took friends, people in my business life, racing life, that taught me things that in the end I trusted and respected and believed in. There's lots of mistakes that I've made in my racing career, on the racetrack and off. I mean, that's part of life. It's just a part of learning, it's a part of gaining knowledge, it's a part of being a better person.